Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rafli. My number name is 2413055. Today I want to explain about the database system. The picture explain about the type of database, which is distribute database or distribute database. The explainer, distribute database is a type of database whose information is not stored in one place but scattered in several locations or organization. This system obtains data from the central database as well as from local computers in various locations. The advantage is that data can be accessed from various places without having to rely on one data storage center. In other words, in this system, data is spread over several locations, but it's still managed as if it were an unfilled database. Here are some examples of distribution database. One, Google Cloud Spencer. 2, Space Cassandra. Relational database is type of database management system (DBMS) that bases its data storage relational model. In this model, data are arranged in the form of a table consisting of rows and columns. Each table represents a specific entity, and the rows in the table represent a data record. The relationship between tables can be made by using primary key and foreign key, which allows structured and organized data management. Definition: relation in table. Data is arranged in table, which consists of row and columns. Primary key. Each table has a unique column known as the primary key. The unique identifies each recorder on the table. Foreign key. A foreign key is a column in one table that is associated with the main key is another table, which creates a relationship between table. Characteristic: structure data, relationship between data, and Microsoft SQL Server. 3. Object-oriented database (OODBMS) is a database management system that stores data in the form of objects, such as in object-oriented programming (OOP), unlike relational database that use tables to store data. OODBMS store data as an object consisting of attributes, properties, and methods that define that behavior of the object. Definition: object-based data in OODBMS is represented as an object, just like object in object-oriented programming language such as Java, C++, and Python. This object can represent complex data and have relation between objects. 2. Encapsulation. Each object stores data and methods that can manipulate the data, creating encapsulation where data and logic are one entity. Characteristic is reusability, complex data, data and function integration. Number 4, centralized database. Our database, where all data is stored and maintenance is a single central location used from different part of the system or organization access the central database either through local or network or LAN uh, or wide are networks. One in this type of database architecture, all processing and management of data happen at the central site, and user access database remotely to retrieve or manipulate the data. Key characteristic: one, single centralized location. All data resides in one place, making it easier to maintain and secure the data. Two, control access. All user interaction with the data are managed and controlled from a central location, ensuring the data is accessed in a consent and regulated manner. 3. Buzzer backup and recovery. Since the data in centralized providing backups and restoring data after failures can be easing compared to distributed system. 4. Potential bottlenecks. Only one downside is that the central server will become a bottleneck if too many users try to access the database multaneously, or if there is failure in the network or server. Example of centralized database: 1. Mainframe system. 2. University database. 3. Hospital information. Centralized database is particularly useful when your organization needs a single source of truth and want to avoid the complexity of managing data in multiple location. 5. Open source database. Our database whose source code is made public available, allowing developers to modify, use, and distribute it without any licensing fees. These databases are typically developed by community or organization and over the flexibility to customize the database according to specific needs. Open source database are widely adopted due to their effectiveness, large community support, and ability to scale for various type or application. Key characteristic: 1. Free to use. Most open source databases are valuable at no cost, which make them highly active to startups and business looking to reduce operational costs. 2. Customizable. Since the source code in open, developers can modify the database to meet their key characteristic. 1. Free to use. Most open source databases are available at no cost, which makes them highly attractive to startups and business looking to reduce optional costs. 2. Customizable. Since the source code is open, developer can modify the database to meet their specific requirement. 3. Community support. Open source database typically have strong user community that contributes to their development, provide support and create documentation. 6. Cloud database are database that run on cloud computing platforms, providing flexible, scalable, and efficient access to data over the internet, unlike traditional database, which are hosted on physical server location on premise. Cloud database are managed by cloud service providers who handles maintenance, update, backup, and security. User can focus on managing their data without worrying about infrastructure management. Cloud databases are typically more accessible, scalable in performance, and can integrate with various modern applications. They also offer a pay-as-you-go model, allowing a business to only pay for recruitment resources they use. Example of cloud database: 1. Amazon RDI's relational database service. 2. Google Cloud Spencer. 3. Microsoft Azure SQL database. 7. A data warehouse is a system designed to storage, manage, and analyze data for various sources in a centralized location. It collects data from and analyze data from various sources in a centralized location. It collects data from different operational system, and storage is consistent from to support reporting, analysis, and business decision making. Some key characteristics of a data warehouse include: 1. Integrate data from different sources is combined and stored in one place. 2. Subject oriented. Data is organized based on key business subjects such as sales, customer, product, each. 3. Non-volatile. Once data is entered into the data warehouse, it is typically not changed but only updated periodically. Data warehouse help companies perform more in the depth and complex data analysis than operational system, which are mainly focused on day-to-day transactional process. 8. NASSQL database refer to a cache database management system to do not follow the traditional relational database model. They are designed to handle large volume of unstructured, semi-structured, or the distributed data, and offer flexibility, scalability, and high performance. Unlike SQL database, non-SQL database often do not use fixed tables, schemas, or SQL-based query. Key characteristic: schemaless, no predefinite schema or structure. Scalable, easily handles large amounts of data and high traffic. Flexible data models support various data formats, document, key value, graph, and edge. Horizontal scaling spreads data across multiple servers. Example of a NoSQL database: 1. MongoDB, 2. Cassandra, 3. Redis. 9. Graph database are two type of NoSQL database that use graph structure with nodes, edges, and properties to represent and store data. These databases are designed to handle highly connected data and are particularly well suited for use case to involve relationship between entities. Node node represent entities. Add reference to the relationship between the nodes. Properties store information about nodes and edge. Graph database are optimized for traversing connection, which makes them ideal for application where relationship between data points are critical, such as social network, recommendation engines, and fraud detection system. Example of great database: Neo4j, Amazon Neptune, and last Orange DB. 10. OLTP, online transaction processing. Databases are designed to manage and support high transaction organized application. They are optimized for managing transactional data, such as real-time processing of large volumes of short simple queries, often involving insertion, update, and deletion of records. OLTP database ensure quick response time, data accuracy, and consistency, and they are often used in application where fast execution is critical, like banking, retail, and airline reservation system. Key feature of OLTP database: 1. High availability and reliability. OLTP system need to believe 24/7 with minimal downtime. 2. Real-time transaction, fast and efficient processing of transaction. 3. Normalization. OLTP database are often highly normalized to avoid. Example of OLTP database: a banking system, e-commerce platforms, reservation system. 11. Personal database is a small scale database designed to be used by a single individual for managing personal or small amounts of data. It is typically simpler than large enterprise level database, and it meant for managing tasks like organizing contacts, personal finance, or project notes. Personal database often reside on local devices such as personal computers or smartphone, and are easy to maintain without requiring complex management system. Key feature of a personal database: 1. User-friendly, designed for individual use, often with simple interface that non require advanced technical knowledge. 2. Small scale, handles limit amounts of data suitable for personal use rather than large enterprises. 3. Local storage, data is often stored on the user device, though some personal database might use cloud storage of backup and stability. Example of personal database: Microsoft Access, Apple Contacts, and Google Keep. 12. A multimodal database is a type of database management system. DBMS that support multiple data models or modes for organizing and processing data within a single system instead of being registered to one type of database model, such a relational, document, or graphic database. A multimodal database allow user to work with different data models within the same platform. This flexibility enables organization to manage and query this diverse type of data efficiently. Key feature of multimodal database: 1. Multiple data models, support variation models like relational, document, key value, graph, and columnar data, among others. 2. Unified query interface, allow querying across different data models using a single ledge or interface. 3. Scalability and flexibility, adaptable to a variety of data types and application, making it suitable for complex and large system. Example of multimodal database: 1. Amazon DynamoDB, 2. Microsoft Azure Cosmos DB, 3. Oracle database. 13. Documents JSON database is a type of NoSQL database designed to store, retrieve, and manage semi-structured data in the form of document, often using JSON JavaScript Object Notation format. Unlike traditional relational database that store data in tables and rows, document database stores data as collection of key value pairs, where each document is a self-contained unit of data. JSON documents are flexible, allowing for complex nested data structures and varying fields within documents, making them ideal for modern web and mobile application. Example of document or JSON database: MongoDB, Couchbase, Amazon DocumentDB. 14. A hierarchical database is a type of database that organizes data in a tree-like structure, where each record has a single parent and one or more children. This structure resembles a hierarchy with parent-child relationship similar to a family. There are organizational chart. The top level record is known as the root, and each subsequent level consists of child records that are linked to a single parent. key of future of hierarchical database. One, truth to one true structure. Data is organized in a hierarchy of records, with each record linked directly to its parent from the like structure. 2. Parent-child relationship. Each child record can have only one parent, but a parent can have multiple children, reflecting one-to-many relationship. 15. A network DBMS, Network Database Management System, is a type of database that use a graph-like structure to organize and represent data. Unlike hierarchical database, where each record has a single parent, a network database allows record to have multiple parent and child relationship. This many-to-many relationship model makes it more flexible and efficient, for example, for representing complex data structures, like those found in telecommunication networks, transportation system, and organized hierarchies. Example of the network DBMS: integrate data storage or EDS, EDMS. 2. EDMS, integrate database management system. 3. Turbo image. Network DBMS system are particularly useful in situations where complex data relationship needs to be managed efficiently, such as telecommunication, supply chains, management, and organization structures. They are more flexible than hierarchical database, but still require careful design and management due to her complexity. Thank you, Sir Rizky Zulkarnain, SPD MPD. I'm Muhammad Rafli. Thank you.